Thanks, Steve. Yeah, we have a few defining moments that you at home will be able to follow along with us, what you're going to look out for these upcoming days. The first one is happening tomorrow, maybe morning, noontime. That's when it becomes a major hurricane. And we're thinking that because look at all this warm water in the path here. Mid to upper 80s, plenty of fuel for this storm to really spark up. Even these purples here are upper 80s, so very warm waters out there. Plus, very low wind shear. Nothing to really push it over or move it or scramble it up. So that's why the thinking is it is going to become a powerful Category 4 storm. Also, the next event, Friday evening, that's when it may make that turn towards us. Remember, we talked about this yesterday. That high pressure is going to be building back towards the coastline, and that's what's going to nudge it from the northwest direction to the west-northwest direction and possibly push it into the state of Florida. Finally, the third thing is, of course, landfall. Right now expected to be Monday, but of course, this whole timeline is fluid. It could change over time, and we'll be keeping an eye on that for you.